Hello guys and girls, this is Shubham Tamrekar. Hope you all good. And again, I'm going to film a new video in which I'm going to talk about the market opportunities. This is a midweek market breakdown. Today is a Wednesday, and we have a very good market. The momentum in this market and the way market is operating is very good. Lots of opportunities I'm getting, but because we have forecasted some of the things, I'm going to go discuss only on these, and I only look for these. And if I get any other opportunities, I wait for development. So let's wait. Let's go dig deep into the things which I have shared with you in a Sunday market breakdown session in a video. You can watch. This was a previous upload, and I was uploaded this in last Sunday. So must go and watch that video because video will give you lots of value, because all the things which I'm going to talk about this will always be interconnected, because we are working only the forecasting things. All the things which I am looking for the market is the always the thing which I have forecasted before. So this is what I'm going to share. USD JPY. This was a USD CAD actually. Let me just start with the USD JPY because it played amazing in this market. USD JPY is one of the best trade which I was shared, and I was very quite confident on that, and it plays also in this market because let me just start with the basics. As you can see, this we just broke. As you can see, this we just broke at the top of the structure. And if you will watch the Sunday market breakdown video, I was giving you a reason behind that. This is what mass psychology is. Most of the traders get lose money at this point because they think that the price break the resistance level and then it will move up. They don't think that this is how market react, because market isn't perfect. But when we move into the small time frame structure, this is a 4 hourly time frame structure. When we move into the small time frame structure, we get this price action structure, which is a three touch structure, and from the top of the structure we move down. This single bar candle was giving us an indication that the price will have to move down and we will get rejection from the top of the structure. This is what happened into the market. Price break impulsively, and I was closed my half of the position at this level because I was shared reason on that video. So you will when you will watch this, you will understand this. But I was shared that when we will break impulsively, we will have again opportunity to trade this for the short. And same thing happened in the market breaks impulsively. I did not get entered because I already have a position. I just scale my position to revising my stop loss at the cost. And also, this is what I have positioned right now, and I'm looking this up to the lower up to this structure. This is the first structure I have looking for. I have get my first target, and this is a second target of the structure, and this will be a final target of the structure. You have again opportunity, because if you look at this in a 1 hourly time frame structure, let me just talk about the price action structure. Let me just hide it. Mm, if you look at this structure, you will see that the price, you can also see that the price is forming this price action structure, and from the top at the low of the structure we are getting resistance. But by following the previous structure, we have broke because the price was forming the three touch structure, and I follow this price action structure because this is what structure we was getting in previously. So after the impulse correction continuation, the price moved impulsively moved down, and at this level I was waiting for the confirm indication to the for going short. And at this level, this is a crucial level I was also shared with you, because this was a daily support level. This was a daily support level, and you can see that from that level we will get very good correction. This is a very good correction level we get. And when the price break this level, it never back to the upside. It retested that level, and from that it again move up. Right now in the morning, when I was forecasted this today, at today's morning I was forecasted it, because I have an open position in that. I was revised my stop loss at the 4% profit, because I was getting this price action structure, which was indicating me that when the price will break, then it will move up. So by following this price action structure, when it was making in the morning, and I thought that because the price moved impulsively from that level, there is a taking correction at this level, and then it will move up. But what happened? Price moved down, and it again formed a new price action structure. But if you look at this very closely, you will see that the price has breaked. It moved down just for retesting that level, and after retesting, we have break the reversal structure. And if you look at this in a 1 hourly time frame structure, you will see that after breaking the structure, we had not get supported at this level. This is not a level when the price did not get any kind of support. So I'm still in open because it is not triggered. I have revised my stop loss at this level at 82, yeah, 110.82. This is what my stop loss is, and I have not triggered yet. And if it will be triggered, I will be happy with that because I have traded my plan, and this is what it is. Because the price is making the reversal structure at this level, which is giving us an indication that the price can move up. Because the price has break the structure, it is indicating that the price can move up. So I have closed my trade. I have revised my stop loss at the 4% target, and I'm happy with that trade. If I will be triggered, I will happy. And if I will get any kind of price action breakout, I have a opportunity to capitalize this for the short. We have opportunity to capitalize this for the short again. But this is a very crucial level. This is not a point when we have to look for the trade, because this is not a high value area. The reason most of the price action traders lose money, or the traders lose money in this market, because they do not look at the high value area. We always have to look for the high value area. What's the high value area? This resistance level is a high value area. You can consider this as a high value area because we have break this resistance level. And in a daily time frame structure, price have not retested the daily resistance level at this level also. So there's a possibility that we can move up from that level, and I will be triggered, and then it will move down. I will be triggered, no problem. But what we have, I will have again opportunity. We will have again opportunity to trade this for the short. So what is currently my point of view of looking this USD JPY is that because the price is moving into the reversal structure and it break the reversal structure, there's a possibility it can move up. There's a possibility it can move up to that level. Let me just make this. If you follow the current price action structure, you will see that it is forming this price action structure. So there is a higher possibility that the price will move into the swing. These kinds of swing, the price can move in these kinds of swing, and from the top of the swing structure, it will move down. This is a level, this is a high value area because this is a resistance level for the daily time frame structure, and from that structure, we will definitely look this for the short. This will be a high value area. We have to look for the short, and this will be one of the best trade you can capitalize. If we will sustain below the level, then there is a higher possibility that we can capitalize on this move. So currently I'm looking for this setup for the USD JPY. Those who are not able to capitalize this move, do not just worry about it. Do not trust things about the market, because market is not going to go anywhere. You have lots of opportunities in the market. I'm going to go discuss with you. So this is first thing I'm looking for. I'm looking for USD JPY short again from the high value area. This is the this will be a level when we have to keep lots of patience. This is a level when we have to keep lots of patience, because it will help us to get a high get a good entry point. We always have to look for the high value area to trade, and when the price will trigger at this level, we will get any kind of price action breakout. Suppose what we can get that the price, just like it is moving up right now, we will move up again, move down, take any kind of correction, then it will move down. So we have kind of entries to trade in this high value area, because this is a daily resistance level. There is a higher possibility that the price will reverse from this level. So this is what you have to look for. This is you have to look for. The structure is amazing. Lots of time I have traded this structure, and it plays into the market. So this is the first thing you have to look for. USD JPY is wait for the high value area to get entered in. Second thing, you can look for the USD CAD. USD CAD is a trade I am right now, but I have revised my stop loss at the cost. So at this is a break even point I have, because the trade moved into the 1.5%, and that's why I will revise at the cost. The reason behind it is this trade is very simple. It is very logical trade. It is sorry. It is very you don't have to just rush the things for taking these kinds of trades, because you can see this. We have very double top structure. We were very close to the double top structure, and from the double top structure, price moved impulsively down, and it took some correction. And I got entered after the breakout of the correction level. So I got entered because only there's a three reasons for the entered. First, it rejects from the double top structure. Second, after the making impulse move, the price takes some correction, and after the breakout of the correction, I got entered into this. The third reason behind this trade is that, and which is also very tradable structure. This is also ascending channel structure. If you look at this in a 1 hourly time frame structure, you can see clearly we have from the top of the structure, and this is you can call it as an extension of the pattern. You can call it as extension of the pattern, and by making the extension of the pattern, trader lose at this money, because they think that the price has break the resistance level, and they are starting buy from that level. This is called the mesh psychology over here, when they buy at the high and sell at the low. So we always have to look for this kinds of this kinds of trade. Understand this. This is not a breakout. This is a mesh psychology, or you can also call it as an extension of the structure. Extension of the structure is a structure which is developing, which gives some time to develop the structure. So this is what it is. After breaking the impulse correction, it moved down for the continuation. You can see this. This was 1.62% profit I was making at that time, but I was revised my stop loss at the cost because I have very good position to scale. If it will be triggered, no problem. If it will be triggered and move up, I will be reverse at the cost. I will be exited at the cost, and I will again look for the different opportunities at the different level. I will look for the, suppose what happened, I was got entered at this level, and I will revise my stop loss at the cost. Suppose what happened, by taking this price action structure, if you look at this, it can move up, retest the level, make any kind of price action breakout, then again it will move down. So this is the high value area, always will be. This is the high value area which we have to look for the short. And if I'm looking this for the short, that's why I reversed my stop loss at the cost. This is the reason behind it, because the price is moving into the impulse into the ascending channel structure. This is a very good indication that the direction is very clear. The direction is very clear. The price will have to move down, but when to get entered and when to get exit is one of the most important thing. The direction is very clear. If I have triggered at this level, this is what I have planned. I have planned this for the short. So after breaking the correction structure, that's why I got entered. If it will take correction at this level, suppose if I will not execute, I will not trigger. If it will take this kind of correction at this level, what I will look for? I will look for the price action breakout at this level. When the price will break, I again scale my trade or revise my stop loss at the profit. Then I scale this trade by following this price action structure. What will be this? This will be an impulse correction continuation also. After the very impulsive move, you can consider this will be the correction, and this is what market is taking. If you look at this in a 15-minute time frame structure, you will see that in a same candle we are moving in a 10 pips or a 10 10 10 to 12 pips in a single candle, because of the news in a market, or maybe there's some correlation working in a market. That's why it is happening. But if you look at the structure, it is very clear. I got entered after the breakout of the structure, and this is what I have played. It was moving into the 1.62%, and I have revised my stop loss at the cost, because it is what I have planned. And what I'm looking for trade, either it will take some correction at this level and then it will move down. This will be a first setup, or it will move up, make a retest of that level, and break any kind of price action structure to get entered at this level. So this will be a high value area. Either it will take some correction, then it will move down, or it will move up for retesting the level, then again it will move down. So you have to look for this. This is a very clear price action structure. You can see this. The price action structure is very clear. You have to look for this trade definitely. So this is the second thing. Third thing I'm going to discuss about GPUSD. Unfortunately, I make a loss on this today's morning, because because of something I don't know. Means the trade was very good. I was happy with this structure because lots of time this was happening to the market. First trade I was took at this level, when after the impulsive move it was a correction. I was shared this in my Sunday market breakdown also. I was shared in my Sunday market breakdown video. You can go watch that video. I was shared that when the price was at this level the price was. I was shared that because of the impulse move, there is a higher possibility that the price will take some correction, then it will move up for the continuation to the upside. But what happened after taking impulse correction? It moved up for the continuation. It completed the structure, then it moved down massively. But because in today's morning I got a stop loss, and that is just 1% loss of my capital. So what is the reason behind the stop loss? Let me just talk about that, because I have learned from that. If you look at this in a daily time frame structure, in a sorry, let me just move it to the, yeah. If you look at this in a daily time frame structure, I was getting indication that because the price break below the sorry, above the support level. You can see this is a previous support level, and because the price closed above the support level, I thought that the price will move up from that level. But what happened in this market? And if you look at this in a 15-minute time frame structure, you will also get that the price action structure give us a breakout. If you look at this, at this time I was following this. If you look at this, I was thought that the price move, make impulse, it makes some correction, and now price break. And it is not just indication I was trading, I was also wait for the confirmation. If you look at this in a 1 hourly time frame structure, I was wait to close 1 hourly candle, and after closing this candle I got entered at this level with the stop loss of 80. Oh, and it just by 2 pips it hit my stop loss, and then it move up, and I have a good structure for that. But right now, because I was triggered, I'm looking for another area of entry. But what I have traded my plan. I was forecasted this, and this is what I have planned, because I was waiting for the confirmation also. I did get confirmation, maybe because of the correlation it happened, but I get triggered at the stop loss at this level. So what is the strategy should be at this point? At this point, I am thinking that the price will take some correction at this level again. There will be a possibility, because what you can consider, because if you look at this is a downward channel structure, and we have already broke that downward channel structure, happen mesh psychology over here. So I cannot consider this as this. You can consider this, but after the impulse move like this, there's a higher possibility that the price will take downward, and then it will move up, shooting for the upside. So this is what I can look for. The second thing I'm look for this, if the price will take sustain at this level, if the price will sustain at the level of support, at the level of daily support level as it was sustained yesterday, so it will be possible that next tomorrow we will get a chance to buy this. It will be possible. There's a higher possibility if we will get closed above the support level today also, then there will be a chance tomorrow that we will get chance to enter. So what I'm looking for, the current price action structure is not giving any kind of indication to get entered into the market. We have to wait for this level. We have to wait for the price action, clear price action structure, so that we can get not means flashed by the false breakouts and all. So wait for the structure. Either it will move down or it will take some correction. If it will sustain at this level, then there is a possibility that it will shooting up again for the in upcoming days. So this is the third thing you have to look for. GBP is a thing I have shared with GPUSD. I have shared with you, and the USD GPY I have shared with you. USD or GPY. Or GPY is also I forecasted this in today's morning. After making an impulse correction continuation, it moved up, and it forms a very good price action structure. It formed a very good price action structure. It was moving into the downward channel. You cannot call it is a simple channel structure. And from the low of the channel, you can see that from the low of the channel, we were getting very super price action breakout. And I have this position also. I'm at break even, so I have no problem if it will be triggered. But I traded my plan also. If you look at this, the price was breaked very impulsively. If you look at this, the price was break the level. You can see this price was break the reversal structure, and after breaking the reversal structure, I got entered into this level. And after getting entered, I was when the trade was moved up to the 1.80%, I was revised my stop loss at the cost. Actually, when it was revised 1.50, I was revised because it is what I have planned. But right now it is in cost, and I don't have any kind of issue if it will be triggered. But the structure is amazing. It will be there's a higher possibility that tomorrow we will again get a chance to enter. But we have to wait for the price action breakout. Any kind of price action breakout, it can be like this. It can be this kind of price action structure. After making this price action structure, we will again get for the upside. This will be there is a possibility that we will get a huge correction at this level. Maybe possible because other JPY pairs is not as much solid as it is, and NZD JPY is also not as much good. Let me just watch some more things, and this is what I have forecasted. These are the things which I have shared. USD JPY is at the high value area you can look for, and let me just talk about the two more things, which is NZD CAD. I'm looking NZD CAD for a very long time, and this is what I have to trade. I have planned this trade to trade NZD CAD from the top of the structure. You can see that we have not reached up to the top of the structure, but by following the price action structure, you can see that we are very close to that. After making this impulse move, I was getting indication that the price is taking some correction at this level, and after the correction, after the very good correction, it will move up. It will complete impulse correction continuation structure, and from the top of the structure, it will give a chance to get entered for the short, because it will be a third touch of the structure. You can see this. This is what I have giving you a forecasting. This is what I'm giving you forecasting. It can also play like this. After taking correction at this level, it can move down because it is at the high value area. You can see that this because correlation is also playing into the market, but we have to wait for this level. I think that we have to never get entered by just taking, because there's a reason behind it. I'm not just telling you without any reason. The reason is that because we have very impulse move and we are getting very good correction at this level, there is a possibility after taking correction we have moved up for the continuation, because impulse action continuation is a price action structure which is work means 90%, 90 times into the market. So this is what I'm looking for. And after the top of the structure, from the top of the structure, there will be higher possibility that it will move down again for the short. So this is, you have to look for the NZD CAD at the high value area. You can look this for the short, and this will be played in this market. Odd CAD is also at the high value area. You can see this. The structure in odd CAD and the structure in NZD CAD is just same. You can see this. We are at the top of the structure in odd CAD, and just like in NZD CAD, NZD CAD, I'm telling you that it will move up and shoot from the top. I'm also getting. You can see that in odd CAD we have touched that level. We have at the top of the structure at the odd CAD, and because odd CAD is moving towards downside, I'm looking this for the short also. I'm not get confirmation at this point because the price action structure is very messy at this level. You can see this. The price action structure is messy at this level. I'm not getting this. I'm not going to consider this as as any kind of price action breakout. So let's wait for the price action breakout, or let's wait for the very good refine entry to get entered. If you follow this, this is not what I'm looking for. You cannot consider this as impulse as a correction, because this shadow has a different theory behind that. So what it can be happen, it can move down impulsively. If it will break any kind of correction at this level, then I will go after the very with the reduced risk entry setup. I'm not going to go in this for the risk entry setup, because risk entry setup is always good at the high value area. If I was getting at this level, I will be ready to take risk entry setup because that was a high value area. But in a middle section, I'm not going to take risk entry setup. I always try to reduce to take reduce risk entry setup, which help me to protect my capital. So yeah, this was what we have to, what I have to share, and just let's conclude all the things again. You can see USD JPY. USD JPY is at the high, wait for the high value area at the resistance level. We will go short from the top of the structure. I have shared with you a reason behind it also, because in a daily time frame structure we had not reached up to that level or retested up to that level. That's why it can happen that we reach that level, then it will move down. The second thing you can look for is USD CAD. USD CAD is at the high value area. There's a higher possibility that we will get correction at this level, then it will move down, or we will take at it will move up to that level, take reversal, then it will move down, because this is a double top structure and it can happen. This is, you can call it as extension of the pattern, so it can move down from that level also. The third thing which you can look for, USD CAD condition, is that if it will close below sorry, above the support level, then there will be a possibility that we will move up yes tomorrow. Otherwise we will get a chance to short after the breakout of this structure, but I'm not going to trade this for the short side. The fourth thing is GP CAD. I'm not looking this. GBP odd. GBP odd is also a very good pair you can look for, but it is in a correction zone. So I'm not going to give you advice to trade this, because we have to wait for the high value area. This is the high value area for the GBP odd, and I will update you when the price will move up to that level, and when we have to go enter for the short, I will update you from that level. Do not worry about it. So yes, I hope you like this video, and you get some insight from the market condition, how you have to play in this market, in this amazing market has a lots of opportunity. You have to be sit with your plan. You have to make your plan, how you have to get entered into the market, and this is how you can protect yourself from losing and taking random trades. Always plan your trades very before, and just trade your plan in this market. I hope you like this video. And yeah, one more thing, if you haven't watched a Sunday market breakdown, definitely go and watch that video. And if you're new in this channel, definitely subscribe this channel, because every week we are putting 2 videos, midweek market breakdown and Sunday market breakdown, so that you can learn from that. And I'm going to go I'm launch some more things which will be a plan of future I will share with you also. So do not worry about it. It is at the time of development right now. After develop that product, I will share with you also. So hope this video help you and give you a perspective and give you some value towards market conditions and all. And yeah, thank you for joining. Thank you for watching a full video.